What about you? How are you enjoying civilian lifestyle?
Civilian life. There's no such thing for me. You remember I'm here on assignment?
Oh yeah. You said no break, no free time, no me time, just work. You know what they say? All work and no play makes Jack a really dull boy.
Truth is, I used to have fun on the job when I had my partner. I really miss my partner.
We used to have some fun times. You remember that assignment in Barbados where we went to take down that politician? It was a hard one. And we had to stay there 2 weeks in the hotel. It was really, really a tricky one. Yeah. A long stay and what we had to do to get to him. How I played him.
Yeah, you really did. Pearl, how close did you get to him?
You really want to know?
Uh, yes and no.
Don't worry. I didn't get that close. But I got close enough.
Okay. Cuba was also tricky.
Oh, yes. God, I can't forget. You came into that room covered with blood. I thought I lost you. I was so scared.
Really? You thought you lost me? You cared.
Paul, come on. You know what I'm talking about. So I'm talking about human interaction, human conversation. It's refreshing, right? Relaxing. It's nice.
Oh, yes, you are. I mean, yes, it is.
So, when are you going back to base? When do you leave?
I'm still thinking about it. Do you ever get the feeling like you just walk away from this, from the agency?
Actually, never really thought about it. I have. Being off the grid for a year and doing this, has brought me to a place I feel like, I really want to. I have thought about it. I want to walk away, but I've never really said it out loud. I've never said it to anyone.
Me neither. But I've thought about it. But you think they grant us our wish? Like if we chose to?
We?
Listen. There are some things you don't know about the agency, just as there are some things you don't know about yourself.
Things I don't know about the agency is fine. We're not gonna know everything. But things I don't know about myself, nah.
Codename Wasp. Have you ever heard of it?